Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to change the coolant in the Audi TT, which is same as any 1.8T engine. And the reason I'm doing this is because I basically ran out of coolant on the motorway. There's a little clip down there that does the temperature sensor. It blew off. I lost all the coolant and I had to fill up with just ordinary rainwater. So now that everything is back together and it's running perfectly, now we're going to drain it and then fill it back up with the correct coolant. Okay, we're underneath the car. We're going to drain the radiator. There's a little tap here on the far left hand side, and the tap part is actually pointing towards the back of the car. So we're here underneath the radiator, and what we're going to do is literally grab that little tap handle and pull it backwards. There's very little room to hold the camera and to do everything, so just bear with me. Okay, to drain this tap, what we're going to do is just twist it a little bit and then you push it straight back. Okay, let's see it there. There we go. Okay, let's drain down into the barrel. Okay, it's safe to assume that all the water now is drained out. So now we're going to push the little cap back in and give it a twist clockwise to close. Okay, now we take our fluorescent pink G12 coolant, and that's correct for Volkswagens and Audis, and then we pour that into the reservoir bottle. So mine is actually fluorescent pink, and the other reason why it's glowing pink is there's actually a torch behind it. So yeah, it makes for a cool picture. Anyway, so let's get this pink G12 coolant now into the car. So I bought 5 litres, which I'm told is the right amount, and we're just going to pour it straight in. So I did slightly overfill it. It's up to here, where the max line is just down here. But I have the engine now running, so it is circulating throughout the car, and it is dropping. So I think I'm still okay. So I used 3 litres of this coolant, and now it's up to the correct level. So there you go, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe over there. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. See you later.